How to solve ratios in mathematics. A step-by-step guide. While converting money from one form to another or the calculation of taxes for the income, ratios come into play. Ratios are mathematical terms which are used to compare two or more numerals in mathematics. For example, in a class of 30 students, there are 20 boys and 10 girls. So, to show a relation between the two, you can use the ratio form as 20:10. To solve any ratios easily, follow the two main steps. Step 1. Number. Write the value for comparison. Use one of the three ways to write the value for the comparison of the numbers. 90:70, or 90/70, or 90/70ths. Step 2. Number. Reduce the values into simplest form. In ratio 90/70, the first task is to find out the common factors between the terms of ratios. Common factor equals 10. Simplest ratio equals 90/10 equals 9/7. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to score 100/100ths in maths, you can seek help from our experts. We assure you of the best service 24/7. Chat with us now. For more, www.homeworkminutes.com